everyone, welcome back to my channel. Again, we are here in Jaiprada's house. You know, she made that day vada, that too oil-free one. So that she made it very deliciously and everybody loved it. And today she invited us again for the festival. You know, we celebrate Yugadi festival in South India and that too very special. This is New Year for us and she invited us to celebrate with her. Let's go inside. Hello, Jaiprada. How are you?
Fine. Welcome.
And I'm very grateful that today she invited us again and she's making some special dish for us. Thank you so much.
You're most welcome. Please come in.
Yeah, come in. Hi.
Thank you so much for inviting us. And you said for Yugadi, you are calling us. Yugadi festival is so New Year for us.
Yes.
And it's a beautiful festival.
You know the special of Yugadi?
Yes.
Everybody will make Obbattu, Holige.
Oh, wow.
With a healthy recipe, I'm making with a easy, with a little ingredients, I'm making Obbattu.
Wow, very nice. Without oil?
Without oil.
Wow.
And
no
within
maida.
10 to 15 minutes. No maida.
No maida. Wow. What else we need? Okay. No maida and no oil. And yeah, with the
And no
healthy
jaggery also.
No jaggery?
No jaggery.
Oh my god, I want this. No jaggery holige, then definitely I want this because everywhere like jaggery is also some sort of sugar we can say, but no jaggery means I will love that.
Yeah, that's
So
why
thank
this
you
is
so
for you.
much. And she understood me a lot.
Take it. Wow, so beautiful. Okay, what is this juice?
This is, we call it in Kannada as a panka.
Mm-hmm.
I don't know in English what to say. It's a lemon juice with a jaggery and chia seed.
Wow, so delicious. Did you help your mama to make this?
She knows to do lemonade, right?
Wow, it's very tasty. Thank you so much.
Welcome.
Wow, can you see our chef is ready with the apron? So let's start how to make this delicious Obbattu.
Obbattu. So the ingredients are dry coconut and 1 cup dates.
Okay. So
And-
1:1.
1:1. 1:1 and little cardamom.
Mm-hmm.
And for the thing, I have not used the maida. This is the atta one.
Oh,
wheat
whole
flour.
wheat flour.
Yeah, it's a wheat flour.
Mhm.
Chapati, when we make chapati, no, the
Yeah.
wheat flour.
Okay.
A little pinch of the
Turmeric.
turmeric powder I added.
Okay, that's why it is little yellowish.
Yeah, because the Obbattu, if you see, no, it should be
Yeah.
like
A little yellowish, right?
Yeah, that's
Okay.
why. Otherwise, it will come brown.
Mm-hmm.
And it will be very easy to make. Within 15 minutes, if you make the atta ready, the batter ready,
Yeah.
so within 10 to 15 minutes, you can make the thing.
Yeah.
And everything will go to the blender.
Okay.
That 1 cup of dates will go. First, little we will blend it. So we will add the dry coconut also. And 2 cardamom is enough. See, look at this. It has
Wow.
become a nice paste
Wow.
for filling.
See the oil also it's coming out. It's a coconut oil. So very nice. And she didn't add any extra oil, okay? It's a natural oil.
You can make it like a
Laddu shape.
Yeah, laddu shape.
Oh my god, can you see how much oil, right?
Yeah.
It's so shiny.
Shiny and there is no sugar, only dates.
Yeah.
So I made the laddu and we have to fill this in this and we can roll it. We have to take this much of this atta dough
Yeah.
and you can just dip
Dust
with
it, yeah.
dusting. This is wheat flour.
Okay, we have to roll it only little bit, right?
Yeah.
Okay,
And you
then
can just
place one ball.
ball in this. Like how you make aloo paratha and all, no?
Yeah.
The same way you have to. The same way Obbattu also.
Wow, very nice. Give a shape proper and just dust it and roll it
Yeah.
with a rolling pin.
You don't need butter, paper or oil, nothing you require.
And it's coming out very nicely.
Yeah, it will come
And
very
very
nicely.
easily you are spreading it out.
Yeah, don't stick also.
Yeah.
In maida you will get stick, it won't come properly.
Yeah.
And it is difficult to make very thin also.
Oh my god. And it is little messy also.
Of course. Now I have greased the tawa.
Okay, see what you have to do is tawa, always we have to season well. Otherwise the roti, whatever we cook, it won't come out. So what she has done, I guess, she has applied oil and we will make it little heat
Then we can wipe it with tissue paper. So or with cloth also, you can just wipe it out.
So we can place it like this.
Wow.
With a low flame only, we have to cook it
Hmm.
with both the side. Texture is coming like the same Obbattu, Kai Obbattu.
Yeah, it looks like.
The same thing, Kai Obbattu only.
And it's because of the yellow color, it's exactly looking the Obbattu.
See, with a healthy version. No
Yeah.
maida,
No sugar.
no maida, no sugar. If you buy
Even no jaggery also, yeah. No jaggery.
in some hotels and all, you will buy
Yeah.
they will use maida and with the coconut, they will add the sugar.
Yes. What happens now? Like you are a busy girl or a woman, so you want to eat Obbattu, and what you will do? You will go and buy outside one. So what is the problem? They will add, definitely they will be adding maida, and sugar will be there, means jaggery will be there, and oil will be there. Lot of oil they will use.
How
This
is
is so beautiful. I'm so thankful for you to showing me this recipe to the audience also. Like even working woman, everyone within it. Like this, you can make this.
Yeah,
recipe.
because everybody in the festival,
Yeah.
actually, especially the woman will be very busy with everything.
Yes.
In the house, making
And she
food.
work also, and she take care of her household also.
No, for the
Yeah.
festival, at least minimum 4 or 5 items we will make.
Yeah.
So one items it requires 2 or 3 hours, means it will be given to us, and we will be in the tension. We feel that why this festival will come. So many times what we will order from outside.
Yeah. And
So-
we will cook other things, but we will order outside.
Yes, yes.
Yeah,
For
that is
that,
very
it is
bad, I guess.
without maida, without like sugar, yeah, oil.
Oh my
the texture.
God! See, isn't it beautiful? Oh wow, super.
I can show you the cut, and I will show you. This is so hot. I can show you this one. See how beautifully it has come.
Wow.
See everything, like, see, you can see the posture of.
And it is soft also.
It's very soft,
Very
very
soft.
soft and crispy.
Yeah.
See, it's
Wow.
very soft and crispy also.
Okay. It's very nice, yeah. Like even the smooth texture and crispiness is also there. Smells so good. Oh my God. It's better than but I can say. Without oil, how can it taste like this?
Yeah.
So delicious. So delicious. You must have to try this. Very nice. Wow.
You are not stopping at all.
Because it is so yummy and tasty. Oh my God. It's awesome. Everyone can do this. Very few minutes, like 30 minutes. Hardly it will take 30 minutes. So you can make this. It's better than normal Obbattu we make. I can say that. Yes. It's like if I want to give a marks, 100 marks, like I will give extra marks also for you. Not
It's
100, more than
yummy
100.
and healthy, tasty.
Yeah.
And you can keep it for 1 or 2 days also. We have not
Wow.
added any water.
Yeah.
So we can
Yeah.
keep it for
It's so delicious, and thank you so much for watching till the end. And yeah, let's see you in the next video. Until then, namaste. Thank you so much.
Thank you.